That I am a Kenya Kwanza nominated senator, specially elected under my party by my party leader, His Excellency William Ruto. And I want to speak authoritatively today, and I've told my colleagues here, and I will continue to say it to the Gusii community. Whatever is happening is not any doing of the president. Whatever is happening, and if you have noticed, and I've told my colleagues, anytime something is being cooked by those people who think they have the powers around our party leader, around the president, they always wait for him to leave the country.
It is systematic.
We have seen it in every single. We have seen it in every.
The president is involved.
We have seen it.
Has been attacking our community.
Kibagendi.
The president
knows.
The president. No. The president is.
I will say this. I will say this by saying.
The president is attacking our community.
The one thing
we cannot allow that. No.
Yeah.
The president is targeting the Kisii community.
Can I give you the seat when you finish?
Targeted William Masita from policy holders. Now it is this, madam. You're defending the president.
So I am speaking and I am giving my speech so that people can understand. Because these are the things that are happening. It happened even during my time when I was being removed. And this is not doing of the president. And so what we are going to say, and I will continue to say, is that the president has nothing to do with this. And as a matter of fact, because we signed the Kenya Kwanza Women Charter, I am here because I'm also upset. Because it is a woman leader who is being removed. Because it is a woman who is being victimized. And so I want to say that those powers that be, or they think that surround there, at the end of the day, the president has got the interest of the Gusii community, but we urge him to come forward and stop this because our community is actually being targeted. So therefore, this is the message that I have sent. This is the message that I continue to give to my people, and I will even continue to tell my leaders. Thank you.
Thank you. I also